Good morning, everybody. English, Family and Friends, Grade 5, Semester 1, Unit 3. I'd like a melon. The project, my favorite dish recipe. What is your project for this semester? The project will be my favorite dish recipe. What are the steps of the project? To write the recipe of your favorite dish. Number 2, you take a video, then send it to me. Remember to use adjectives in your recipe. Adjectives of size, words that describe the size of someone or something. Examples: little, large, big, small, tall, short. Adjectives of color, words that tell the color of things. Examples: blue, green, red, black, orange. Remember to write the adjectives in the correct order in your sentences or in your recipe. Now, how can we use two adjectives to describe one thing? Adjectives describing size are followed by adjectives describing color. Examples: you need a big red apple. She put a long green cucumber in the basket. You cut small yellow tomatoes into small pieces. Adjective of size is number 1. Adjective of color is number 2. Long is number 1. Green is number 2. Small, adjective of size, is number 1. Yellow, adjective of color, is number 2. Remember to put the adjectives in the correct order in your recipe. Example of a recipe. Don't forget to use adjectives properly. The following is a pizza recipe. Complete the instructions. Use adjectives of color and size if needed. These are the verbs you can use to write your recipe. You take, you put, you take, you take, you take here. You can use you fry. Also, you can use you cut, you mix. All of these are verbs you can use. This is an example. Let's read it together. You take one big white bread. Look at the adjectives and their order. You put some butter on the bread. You take little red tomato sauce and you put it on the bread. You take small orange tomatoes and you put them on the bread. Then you take some yellow cheese and put it on top. This is my favorite pizza. It's yummy. This is another recipe. Look at the pictures and match the following phrases to write instruction for making a sandwich. So this is a sandwich recipe. You take 2 small white bread. You put some butter on the bread. You take some white cheese and you put it on the bread. Then you take 5 small green cucumber slices and you put them on top. This is my favorite sandwich. It's delicious. So you write the instruction using you take, you put, you take, and of course you use the adjectives, and at the end you have to write an ending. This is another example of a recipe. When you write a recipe, you should mention the ingredients. You should say you need to mention the ingredients. You need some brown bread, some butter, some chocolate, a banana, and some blackberries. You mention all the ingredients, you put a comma between them, and you use and at the end. Comma, 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 and. Then you start telling the instructions. You take some brown bread, you put some butter on the bread, you take some chocolate, spread and you put on the bread, you take small banana slices and you put them on top, then you take 5 small blackberries and you put them on top. This is my favorite sandwich, it is so good. So this is the ending. Remember, when you take your video, you should use these instructions. You take, you put, you take. Okay? Remember to mention all of the ingredients, the instructions, and you have to write an ending and you have to say it in your video. You should at least write 5 steps or 6 steps for your recipe. You can't keep it very short. It has to be at least 5 or 6 instructions. Good luck, everybody. I will send you a link for Padlet to send your recipe video. Thank you. Goodbye.